Good
Hey,
fight
I'm gonna win. No, I'm gonna win.
the century.
Where two blowed hair dryers battle it out. Okay. Hey guys, so I just took a shower. That way we can test out this new, not new, I've seen it around, but I really want to try it. I want to see if this is better than a hair dryer. So I'm gonna try this Revlon Salon one-step hair dryer and volumizer, and let's see how it works. So I got this for my birthday. What was that? Why are you taking so long to think, baby? Half a month ago. Honestly, I didn't want it, and I still don't, but let's try it out. Whatever. I lost the receipt, so I can't even return it to write-in. Wait. But I've wanted something like this, just smaller. This hat looks, my hand, that's pretty huge. And this is a water bottle to compare. A big water bottle and a big hair dryer. So the controls are down here. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4 options. The off switch button, cool, low, and high. Let's plug this in. Also, before anything, I love putting this thing on. It is a cream of nature with argan oil. I got it not long ago, or actually, yeah, about a month ago, 2 months ago in the beginning, and I've used up this much. And honestly, I've enjoyed using it every day. It has argan oil and a leave-in conditioner that gives strength and let me do this first. I do this every time I'm done with the shower. It literally leaves my hair really soft and nicer. So that's why I keep doing it. So I basically, what I wanted to do is test out like how much time it would take to use this compared to a normal hair dryer. And I'm not gonna do the testing for my
What you're saying is wrong.
hair dryer.
You are going to do the testing, okay?
But in order to test this, I want to time it, you know. In the morning, I am in such a hurry. So if I do take a shower in the morning instead of the night before, I will want something fast. That's why I stopped hair drying my hair, because I think it takes a little bit too long in the morning.
You hate blow drying your hair in the morning.
But let's start. So I'm gonna put a timer, and I'm gonna start right after this. So it's just gonna be a few second delay. So let's start this. Ready? Ready? Hold on. Oh, man, this is huge. I'm gonna use the high setting to give it a go. Ready? Set. Start! Dang. Off and stop. My hair is fully dry on all sides, and I was able to style and brush it at the same time. Honestly, the big winner here is this. I love it when I use this because it makes my hair so fucking soft. Anyway, my hair's soft, done, and hopefully I have a little. Yeah. Just to keep it away from my hair right now. But honestly, it took. I don't know if you can see this, but it is 5 minutes and 49 seconds. Yeah, 5 minutes and 49 seconds. It took that long to dry out my hair, but my hair is really short, really short. So, I'm actually pleased with this. So I have to wake up early tomorrow. It's 9:36 right now. By early I mean like 5 a.m. and I'm not the type to get up any earlier than that, actually. So I normally take a shower at night. Like right now, my hair is wet. Just came out of the shower. And I normally would like to let this air dry, take a shower earlier and let it air dry so I can go to sleep, you know, with dry hair. But I'm gonna try to time how long it takes me to blow dry my hair using a normal hair dryer. So let's do a timer again. Or let's do a timer. Let's see. Okay. 0. And I need a brush along with this one. Okay. And we'll do high with this one too. And I mean high in temperature. We'll just see. Let's see. Start! A good time. So it just took 5 minutes and 34 seconds. In the background you can actually hear my anime playing. It's okay, I guess. I feel like the other one kind of styles my hair a little bit better than this one. But I'm going to bed. We'll see how it looks tomorrow in the morning. It did take a little longer. Like, it's hard to like check the back, and this doesn't really do a good job at when you touch it. I don't know. But this also took a bigger hassle. Last time I was able to watch TV while blow dry my hair, and this time I didn't. Well, I just wanted to put my review here. I don't think I really properly reviewed both of them or compared both of the products side by side. But I just wanted to let you know that I believe that the reason this guy won was because of its more settings. It has fast or slow setting. And then there's this 3 types of temperatures: low, medium, and high. And I used high and high for the test that I did. I just wanted to be at its maximum, as this was also at its maximum capacity. This one only had 4: off, cool, low, and high. So because this one was hotter than this one, of course this one's gonna win. But in terms of like I'd say the easiness, as well as how convenient and less of a hassle things were, this one definitely was a winner compared to this guy. This one occupied both of my hands, and I wasn't able to watch TV properly. And this one, I was just brushing away while watching TV. Sorry if I look like a dud. I was literally just watching TV while filming. I can't stop watching TV. But yes. If you have any other suggestions of what you'd like me to try, I can definitely do it. It's fun. I love testing things. And yeah, this was a really nice little experiment I got to do. So I'll see you guys maybe next time.